Casey and Kimberlyn.
Cassandra.
I'm Courtney.
My name's Jo.
Emily Gulfrieder.
Jodie Hanson. My name's Casey.
Portfolio manager.
Group marketing manager.
Business analyst at OpenCorp.
I look after our client care department.
Executive assistant.
Chief Operating Officer. Portfolio manager.
It's about celebrating women and empowering them to succeed.
International Women's Day is significant in the sense that it builds up women across the world. It takes away the gender bias that we have both in our personal lives and professional lives, and it really gives us an opportunity to have a voice in the community and also in the workplace.
International Women's Day to me is a day where we all come together and celebrate the amazing, strong, beautiful and powerful women of the world.
A day of recognition for women and their efforts in business, both small, medium and large, and the successes that they've taken.
I love the fact that it's a day where we can consider how far we've come in terms of the roles of women within society, but also maybe some of the areas that we can still do more in. I love that we can highlight those things over the course of that day and surrounding days as people become more aware about it, and that we can start to see more action take place in the areas that still need improvement for women.